I've got a problem with my 99 Nissan Altima. When I start it up and try to drive down the street, I can only go like 5 miles an hour or so for like the first minute, and then after a minute or so it seems like it starts firing on all the cylinders, and then it runs pretty good after that. But my service engine light, or service engine soon light, came on, so I'm gonna go to the parts store and they'll download those codes for free for me, and I'll see what they come up with. I went to the parts store, and when they did the downloads, they found a fault P0171, which is bank 1 running lean, and then P0325, which is knock sensor no response. And the knock sensor, I think I'll just replace that knock sensor, but I think that the bank 1 running lean is probably like the real problem. And it said there's a number of solutions for that. Could be mass airflow sensor, bad intake manifold gasket, PCV valve and hoses, vacuum leak, all kinds of stuff. And so I didn't know where to begin, so I just kind of started here, and I pulled out my spark plug wires, and look at that, there's all kinds of oil down in the hole with the spark plug. And I guess my valve cover gasket has recently started leaking, and it filled up these two holes with a bunch of oil, and I guess maybe that was shorting out my spark. I'm going to cross my fingers and hope that was the problem.